Amanda and I's out looking for some more antlers and a hillside with just a whole bunch of monkey balls. Walked up on a spike. That's how close I was before I saw it. Pretty fresh looking. Gotta love finding them spikers. Maybe there's some big ones on this hillside too, huh? Alright, just a few minutes later, Amanda yelled down the hill, says she's got one. Oh, she's a good ways up there. Yeah, we're almost there. Still a lot of monkey balls left on the ground here. From what I understand, these things turn to straight sugar after they freeze once or twice. Instead of the deer, it's just basically candy. Yeah, that's the last year's one. Big time chewed up, huh? Pick them up. Still counts. Alright, well, we're gonna find some more hopefully, right? Out that same hillside, just a little farther. Amanda's down there somewhere. Walked up on our spiker. Must be Spike Central, huh? Still cool little guys, fine. We'll take them, but I really like getting some big ones. Maybe one day here.